Hey, come on, girl. The bedroom's this way. Let's go.
Oh, wait for me, you big idiot. Oh, what a lovely bedroom.
You are the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. Come on, get in.
Oh, you're such a charmer, aren't you? I'm going to show you the night of your life.
Shh, I'm gonna surprise her with a really nice breakfast smoothie.
Okay, so I've tried to make this as simple and easy to remember as possible by using equal amounts of the main ingredients. Grab a blender jar and we need 100ml of non-dairy milk, which is, oh, bit of crap, sorry about that, which is just about half a cup. In it goes. Then an equal amount of non-dairy yogurt, so 100 grams, oh, bit too much there, take some of that out, oh, too much, there we go, perfect. And that's half a cup again, brilliant. In that goes with the milk, and then try to use frozen fruit if possible. I don't know why, but I find this makes a bit of a smoother smoothie than if you were using the old fresh fruit and ice cubes. Also, maybe this is just a UK thing, but do you ever find that sometimes you buy fresh fruit and you're like, yeah, sweet and tasty, right? But sometimes you buy it and it's like, exactly, it's a bit sharp and sour and a bit, I think it's because frozen fruit is frozen when it's ripe and fresh, whereas fresh fruit is sometimes picked before it's ripe, so the frozen fruit can sometimes taste fresher than the fresh. Oh goodness, my brain hurts. Does that make sense? I hope so. Anyway, equal measure of frozen fruit, so 100 grams, which is hopefully half a cup as well. Almost there, put that one on there. 99 grams, close enough. There we go, exactly half a cup of frozen fruit. How convenient is that? Get all of those in there and add around 1 tablespoon of sugar. I take a bit less, but that's only because I'm so sweet already. And then a little bit of vanilla if you like, adds a nice little flavour. Okay, we're good to go. Give it a blend, give it a shake, and then just blend until it's smooth. Now I think this girl might be the one, so I want to try and impress her. I'm going to use the rim of the glass to cut through the soft bit of the strawberry. Push down and against the inside of the glass so the strawberry takes on the shape of the glass. Then press it against the glass to make a tight seal. Repeat and repeat. It might help to chop the rear ends off so they don't knock each other. And there it is. Okay, let's see how this goes. In with the smoothie. Hey, not too bad. Now, even if you mess this up, don't worry. Whoever you give this to will see the strawberries and say, oh, you tried to do the thing with the strawberries, you're so sweet. And you can be like, oh yeah, I know. Now, if you prefer a thinner smoothie, you can increase the milk or decrease the fruit. If, however, you prefer it a bit thicker, you can decrease the milk and increase the fruit. Okay, how does this bad boy taste?
Bloody delicious.
Oh, that's good. Now, if you happen not to have any yogurt, that's okay. You can leave it out. 100 grams of frozen fruit here. I'm going to use strawberries and some bananas, what I froze. Give them a chop. In they go, 100 grams of non-dairy milk again. No yogurt this time, so I'm going to use even less sugar. That goes in there. And vanilla again. Oh, a bit much there. And then pour it out, and yeah, still really thick and smooth, just not quite as creamy as if you had the yogurt, but still, amazeballs. So what if you don't have yogurt or frozen fruit? Well, don't panic. Get yourself 100 grams of fresh fruit and then add 75 grams of non-dairy milk and then 100 grams of ice cubes, bit of sugar and vanilla if you like. Please bear in mind that the ice cubes are very noisy in the blender.
That'll keep the neighbours happy.
Okay, great, pour it out. Now, can you see? It's not quite as thick and smooth as the others, but that's okay. You know, life can't be fantastically amazing all the time, but it still tastes good though. Oh yeah, man. That's some good shiitake mushrooms. But hey, we want only the best for this fine-ass, beautiful woman. Oh man, she's gonna try this and fall in love with me and we'll live happily ever after. Oh, I feel so lucky.
Good morning. I made you a smoothie.
Oh, hello, lover boy. Oh, smoothie, lovely. Give it here, mate. Oh, mate, I love what you've done with them strawberries. That's lovely, that is, yeah. Oh, my God. That is the best smoothie I've ever had. Do you know, I think I love you, mate.
All right. That's great.
You coming back to bed then, are you? You can blend me strawberries if you like.
Okay.
You coming back to bed then, are you? You can blend me